there. Welcome to my channel. I am Tish. I'm a wife, mom, leader over 40, navigating life, career, and purpose. And here on my channel, I document those things. Today, we are getting ready to head to volleyball. And I figured this video would be neat just to show what I'm packing in my volleyball mom bag. Now, these are just the things that I carry. My daughter has a bag where she carries a lot of her sports tape, personal hygiene items. In my bag, I carry what I need. I carry her snacks and possibly some other things that she may need or may not need. She's 15 years old, so hair ties and all those little nuances that I typically would carry, she carries in her bag. But I'm going to share what's in my mom volleyball bag, my edition. Okay, so here is my volleyball bag. I carry the large Bogg Bag, and this one is typically deemed for volleyball unless we're going on vacation, and then I'll switch it out to put if we're going poolside or to the beach. So the bag that carries the most is this pouch here. It has everything that I possibly may need that my daughter may not. For instance, I have my glasses and my contacts case, just in case these contacts get tired, they get worn, they get torn. I can swap them out and put on my glasses. I also have wipes that I keep in here, pair of readers, over 40 lady here. Of course, we don't go anywhere without a charger, and I love that the chargers now, the charging ports now are almost universal. So I have my extra battery pack. I have allergy meds, some tummy meds. I have feminine products in here. I have PMS meds in here. I also have ibuprofen, and I have some room spray. You never ever know when you need to freshen up a room, either because you did something or somebody else did something. Usually it's somebody else, and I can't stand that. And I have a few packs of the liquid IV, and that's what's housed in this pouch. It's like my catch-all bag in here. This tournament is fairly local. If we were going out of state to where it was a very large facility where parking was going to be miles away, I would pack more in my bag than my daughter would, just because we wouldn't be able to go to my car. But there's some things that I keep in my car. I keep extra meds. Like I said, she keeps KT tape, hair ties, personal hygiene items in her bag when we go to in-state tournaments. But if it was out of state and we wouldn't be able to leave, I would pack more in my bag to free her up. But you saw what was in this bag. I have my pen case. I keep pens, pencils, and highlighters in here. I probably even keep my microphone in there if it's not in my purse. I take my planner everywhere with me, whether I get in the mood to start planning for the upcoming week during break time, or I need to check a date because I've made a new contact with someone. Then I have my iPad. The iPad is solely for entertainment for myself or one of my family members. I am always thinking about content, so I have my Meta Ray-Bans, or Ray-Ban Metas, however you want to say it. And these are the Wayfarer Gen 2. I have a book just in case I'm in the mood to read. And readers. Yeah, I keep my readers. The other things that are going to go in here that are not in here right now, my daughter's Snaggle box. So let me go and get that. So here is her snack box with mostly the dry goods. There's fruit snacks in here. There's pretzels, M&Ms, candy, chips, Slim Jims. And then this bag is gonna go in here, and this one has like the larger items that would not fit into the snack box. So she has an ice pack in here, It has cheese on one side and it has salami on the other. I love these hot Cheeto puffs. So that's gonna go in there. And I am a fan, a huge fan, which I need to get off of these, is the caramel cold brew M&Ms. So that's what's gonna go in this bag right here. And the only other things that we are missing are a few bottles of water. I have more in the car, and I am going to put 2 Gatorade bottles in here for her. And y'all, that is my bag. Is it large? Is it heavy? Absolutely. But I do have a trick for that. I'll show you what that is. I also forgot to show you the bag of pom-poms that I tote around, depending on, we have to read the room to see if it's a cheering crowd, but I have pom-poms in a bag. Usually, if the mood is really high, I'll pass these out to the parents who are in a cheering mood. So that's gonna go in the bag. And to tote that big bag around, I'm not doing it with my shoulders. I have a luggage trolley, and this has come in handy. So I am going to load these up in my car. Okay, friend, we have now made it to the tournament. I showed you the bag. If you are a volleyball mom or any other type of sports mom and you have floors that can hold that trolley, that is definitely a good thing to invest in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and tell me where you're watching from down in the comment area. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.